To insert an image into Google Doc, you're going to want to go up to Insert, Image, and you can upload them from Drive, pull them from your Google Photos, put them from a camera, upload from a computer, or search the web. What I'm going to do is I'm going to input it by URL. I already have a URL for this particular image right here, so I'm going to copy and paste that into there. It's going to show me a little preview window, and I'm going to hit Insert, and then let it go in. Now, once the image is in, if you click on it, you've got a bunch of different options. I could resize the image by clicking on the blue bar there. Here you can see, of course, I'm distorting the image a little bit. I could drag it down from here. This will maintain the ratio between the sides and the top, making sure that I haven't screwed up the image at all. And I also have the ability to rotate the image by putting my cursor right over the top of here, and then I could actually rotate that sideways if I really want it. Now, I'm going to show you. But if I shrink the image, you can see that it is left justified. This is being pushed against the left side of the page. I could change that by going up here. I could click on center or right justify. This one won't really do anything there. But I could do center, left, or right with the image. And I could also crop the image by either clicking up here where it says crop the image, in which case I could sort of take out some of the white space on the sides. Or an easier way to do that, I'm going to go back to a larger version of this. Another way that I could pull up crop, and the faster way to do it is on the image. Once you click, double click, and you can bring up these crop bars here. There, now I'm using my white space a little bit better. I could also click on here, and I could go to image options, and it's going to pop up some stuff on the right. I could recolor the image. It's almost like you're putting different filters over there. Not something that I think I'd really want to do. We could also change the transparency, so it blends in a little bit more into the background there if you wanted to make sure it wasn't standing out so much. You can play with a couple other things, brightness, maybe it's a little too bright, maybe a little too dark there, or contrast. I could also add a border around my image, so I'll shrink it down. If I go up here, I can add a border color. I'm going to choose black, and I can also change the size that I want. There's 8-point there, and then I could go to like yellow 8-point, and I could also change that to a dashed line if I really wanted. There you can see a dashed line. Let's change that to a more visible color. There I've got circles. There I change it to dashes.